Which synonym belongs to gourmet? The correct answer is foodie. Which synonym belongs to deadpan? The correct answer is deadpan comedy. Which synonym belongs to deducible? The correct answer is deductive. Which synonym belongs to imperil? The correct answer is endanger. Which synonym belongs to vassal? The correct answer is dependent. Which synonym belongs to tout? The correct answer is pitch. Which synonym belongs to conformity? The correct answer is uniformity. Which synonym belongs to adulterate? The correct answer is debase. Which synonym belongs to cloister? The correct answer is enter religion. Which synonym belongs to poltroon? The correct answer is craven. Which synonym belongs to pandemonium? The correct answer is bedlam. Which synonym belongs to oath? The correct answer is pledge. Which synonym belongs to nascent? The correct answer is emerging. Which synonym belongs to sovereignty? The correct answer is nationhood. Which synonym belongs to odious? The correct answer is despicable. Which synonym belongs to extenuate? The correct answer is mitigate. Which synonym belongs to obtrusive? The correct answer is impertinent. Which synonym belongs to multiform? The correct answer is polymorphic. Which synonym belongs to errant? The correct answer is errant. Which synonym belongs to stink? The correct answer is blow.